Alright, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. We are here sa SM North EDSA sa Annex, sa Cyber Zone area nila for the opening of the EcoFlow Philippines store. So, ito yung first store dito sa Philippines here in the Philippines at open sila ngayon sa SM North EDSA here sa Annex, 4th level sa Cyber Zone. So, si Eco Philippines, they specializes in selling portable batteries at portable generators. Kamukha nitong hawak, who can power up any appliances and also small appliances and also mga laptops. So let's check it out yo. Pasok tayo. Let's do a quick store tour ni EcoFlow Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Ito yung store ni EcoFlow Philippines. So let's check it out yo. Pasok tayo. And they're featuring dito yung mga maliliit na EcoFlow. I think this is the EcoFlow River. Pwede ka magkabit pa ng backup battery para mas papalakas yung inyong battery.
And pag naka-max,
Ayan.
mag-continue naman
Ito yung portable air conditioner nila. Perfect for camping and also sa bahay or sa loob ng kotse nyo kung sino yung lagyan ng aircon. And this one is the EcoFlow. Ito yung kanilang parang refrigerator, the Glacier. Ayan, cooler siya. Refrigerator na portable na may battery. And they have different kinds of products here na pwede nyo check out at also test pwede rin. Ito yung mga versions na bet ko, yung mga River series kasi maliit at medyo mura, mga 15,000 above makakabili ka na. And also this mga power stations. Kaya yung buhatin to. Nakakita ko na ito sa mga travel, like mga nagka-camping, gusto sila nag-charge sa mga phone sila, laptops, mga pailaw, and also small appliances like electric fan, for example. Most interesting part is si EcoFlow is already soft launching a power bank and also a gun charger. Oy, grabe, matindi to. So mga mobile devices, get ready. At eto na, EcoFlow now entering the mobile devices arena. Hindi ko alam kung para saan to alternator charger, no? I'm not sure kung for the battery to ng kotse. O tama, di ba? And they have here a sample na setup nila for home setup. They're using this bigger battery pang bahay. At ito yung EcoFlow parang device at also solar panel. If you combine this, you can convert your home into a solar-powered generation. Ayan, so may mga video sila dito using yung EcoFlow products. Grabe, laki ng battery. Alright, so that's the end of our feature for today. So visit now EcoFlow store here in SM North EDSA Annex, sa 4th level. Alright.